This week, we have for you the old-fashioned spiced pineapple upside-down cake. Hello and welcome back to J&J's Food Basket. A series of festive cakes will be incomplete without this classic cake. For this recipe, you will find the list of ingredients along with links to where I picked mine in the description box below. Let's get cooking! The trick is in mixing everything in parts instead of all at once. So, that was another quick video taking you step by step through a very easy and tasty recipe using ingredients available in your own kitchen. Do try it out. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to J&J's Food Basket. You can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest at J&JS Food Basket. Have a great weekend ahead.